Hello बच्चों, in this problem we have 1 kg and 2 kg block. Spring is relaxed and they are lying on frictionless floor. This 1 kg block is coming with velocity 2 meter per second and it collides with 2 kg block elastically. We have to find the distance between blocks when the spring returns to its unstressed position for the first time. So when this 1 kg block will collide with 2 kg block, so 2 kg block will gain some velocity. It will compress the spring, then it will come back to the original position. Then at that instant when block has come, this 2 kg block has come to the initial position, we have to find the separation between blocks. So first of all, see that the collision is elastic. So if collision is elastic, then after collision, what will be the velocity of 1 kg block? So we can find by using a formula which we introduced in a previous video. So you can find the velocity of center of mass. So velocity of center of mass just before and after the collision remains same. So the velocity of center of mass initially is m1 into u1 plus m2 into u2 upon m1 plus m2. So this comes out to be 2 by 3 meter per second. So velocity of 1 kg block after collision can be given by v1 equal to 2 vcm minus u1. So it comes out to be minus 2 by 3 meter per second. Negative sign denotes the direction has reversed. So basically the 1 kg block is after collision, it is going in left direction with velocity 2 by 3 meter per second. Now when this block gains velocity, it will perform SHM. So it will go to the extreme position, then it will come back to the mean position again. So this is the mean position. So it will go to the extreme position and will come back to the mean position. So basically it has done half oscillation. So the time taken by block to come back to the original position, that is the mean position, will be t by 2, where t is the time period which can be given by 2 pi into under root m by k. So k is 2 and m is also 2, so the time period is 2 pi second. So from mean position it goes to extreme position and comes back, so the time taken by this block will be t by 2, so that is pi second. So in that pi second, this block which has come to this position for collision and it started moving up in opposite direction with 2 by 3 meter per second, this 1 kg block. So it will move for this time, that is pi second. So distance between block will become 2 by 3, the speed of this block, into the time. So time is pi. So from here solving we get the separation to be 2.09 meter. So this is the answer. Thank you.